Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can obtain the output for an independent samples trimmed mean test using Microsoft Excel and my stikpetE add-in. This video will focus on how to obtain the output, not so much if you should be using this test or how to interpret it. My add-in is available via my GitHub. Once you've downloaded it, you can open Excel, go for File, Options, Add-ins, and then click on Go. And then click on Browse and then go to the downloaded file and it should install. That should give you a lot of additional functions, and one of them being TS trimmed mean IS. This actually is also referred to as a Yuen-Dixon or a Yuen-Welch test, depending on how you set your standard error. To show you how to use this, I've added some data in columns A and B. In column A the categories, and in column B the numbers. Those are also the two required fields for this function, and don't select the entire column, always select a specific range. So my functions only work with specific ranges, not with entire columns. Then if you have more than two categories in your categorical field, you can use the categories parameter to select which two categories you actually want to compare. And then it also assumes that you want to assume that the trim means are zero. The difference will be 0, but you can change that with the DMU parameter. By default, it will actually trim 5% of each side, so 10% in total. And the standard error by default is Yuen, which will give you a Yuen-Welch test. And otherwise, you can also set Yuen-Dixon, and then we'll give you a Yuen-Dixon test. Both are trimming the data, so both are trimmed means test. So here I've used actually the function. As you might notice, I'm using a semicolon to separate parameters. Your system might need a comma for that, and it gives you all the output that you need. Including probably the most important one, the p-value. As you can see, in both cases it's above the usual threshold of 0.05, which means that we would not reject a null hypothesis and therefore state that there's no significant difference between in trimmed means between the two categories. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.